welcome to this video. In this video, I'm trying to elaborate about curriculum aspects of chemistry. Now, it is very important for both medical and non-medical students. For non-medical students or those who are aspiring for IIT, it is the most scoring subject. Similarly, for the students who are aspiring for MBBS, again it becomes the second most important scoring subject. Now, chemistry is divided into 4 different branches which you are studying in class 11th or class 12th. The first and the most important branch of chemistry is analytical chemistry. Now, in this branch, you basically study about the analysis part of the chemistry. The next important branch is physical chemistry, and in this branch you basically study the physical aspects of the chemistry, or you study the concepts which you are going to apply in the organic part of the chemistry or inorganic part of the chemistry. Though these are the next 2 parts. The curriculum of analytical chemistry is basically divided into 3 parts. The first part is volumetric analysis, second part is salt analysis, and third part is concept-based experiments. Now, if you are a student of class 11th, then in volumetric analysis, you would be doing acid-based titrations. In salt analysis, you would be doing inorganic salt containing cation and anion. But in concept-based experiments, you would be doing preparations for few inorganic salts. And if you are a student of class 12th, then in volumetric analysis part, you would be doing redox titrations. In inorganic salt analysis, you would be doing inorganic salt containing cation and anion. While in concept-based experiments, you would be doing experiments on preparation of few organic compounds with analysis of functional groups. Physical, organic and inorganic chemistry constitutes your major portion of subjective paper, while objective may contain some questions from analytical chemistry. Like in JEE Mains or IIT, few questions are asked from analytical chemistry. While preparing for physical chemistry, if you are a student of class 11th, then these topics should be good enough. The topics are stoichiometry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium and redox. But if you are a student of class 12th, then the topics of class 11th should be good enough. Other than these, the chapters of class 12th that should be good enough are solutions, electrochemistry and kinetics. When you are preparing physical chemistry, then don't think of running away from numericals. It is a common practice of students that they try to run away from the numericals, and if you run away, then you can't get good marks in physical chemistry, because either it is your subjective paper or it is your objective paper. Both papers constitute majority of numericals, and if you are not confident in attempting numericals, then you can't fetch good marks in the physical portion of chemistry. Organic chemistry is the most important branch. Either you are a student of class 11th or you are a student of class 12th. It hardly matters, because in class 11th you understand the basic concepts of organic chemistry, and in class 12th you apply those concepts in form of reactions. So you have to understand organic chemistry very well. Organic is like mathematics. more you practice, more you succeed. So to succeed in the organic part of chemistry, you have to practice a lot, and this is the only solution available. Last part is inorganic chemistry, and in this part, if you are a student of class 11th, then you are studying S block and partially P block elements, and if you are a student of class 12th, then you are studying the remaining part of the P block, D block and F block elements. Try to understand the exceptions that are associated with these elements placed in the blocks, because majority of questions that are asked are directly associated with their exceptions. To have command over the topic, you should be very clear about the exception part associated with each element in the block. That was all about chemistry curriculum. Thanks for watching the video.